This is why I believe there was time before the creation of the first 12-hour day, light on earth. In the very beginning, the created earth was dark and covered with water. That was the initial state of the earth, dark because there was no light or day yet on any of its surfaces. Why? Well, one theory is that it was originally enveloped by a very thick atmosphere. Perhaps a dense gaseous compound and thick water vapor. The Bible doesn't explain. Why was there no daylight? Because starlight was not yet permitted to break through. Were the stars already created? Yes, because it wasn't just the Earth or other planets that were made, but the entire heavens with an S. I believe these heavens are what we call the whole universe today. This vast created space. The uncreated space and time is God Himself. He is the eternal space that this universe is expanding into. That is how big our God is. Thus, He first brought out His representation, His flag, His firstborn before all things, so that through Him all creation could worship the eternal God. So, back to the creation of the very first 12-hour daylight on earth. When God made that first daylight, it marked the start of time here on earth. Perhaps He thinned out the blanket enveloping the planet, just enough so that starlight could enter, but not enough for a man on earth to see the actual sources of light. Then, on the second day, He made the heaven or sky of our planet a breathable atmosphere for us. On the third day, He caused dry land to appear out of the waters, which was also called earth, and made plants grow upon it. Then, finally, on the fourth day, He made the sources of light appear in the sky to rule the day and night, and to mark days, seasons, and years. So, when people say the world is only around 6,000 years old, that timeline must have started at the creation of the very first daylight, or perhaps with the creation of man, when Adam started to count his days on earth. The true age of the heavens, or the universe, and the earth remains unknown.